So I'm here doing the voltage regulator. As you can see, here's the old one right here. It's all covered in oil and shit. But you come up here, you have to take the recoil assembly off. This guy goes right here, and you can't really get down in there. But as soon as you take that off, you come down here, you take off. You can do just two bolts like I did, but you can take off all three. There's one bolt right here for the ground, and there's one bolt here and another bolt down below that holds the voltage regulator on. If I can find my new one, here it is. This is what the new one looks like. You get that little ground wire and then the connector that goes right there, which should all plug up all nicely. And then hopefully my headlights and stuff should all work and not explode right at the beginning. So I'm gonna get this put back together, all this wired back up, and I will update you and see if it actually works, and we'll try them out and make sure that everything is good for this riding season. All right, so I just got it all put back together. I got both light bulbs changed, voltage regulators in. This is the actual first start. Let's see if it does anything. Keep turning. Oh, that's a good sign. Need to get a new light bulb for the indicators and stuff. A good sign. I'm gonna let it run for like 5 or 10 minutes just to make sure that nothing blows out, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on whether this is gonna stay working this way or whether it's just gonna break, because that would be really super unfortunate. Alright guys, so what I just did is I went and put all new bulbs for the gauges and stuff in, and then I also installed a new ignition switch to hopefully fix my problem I'm having with that. And we're going to see if this thing starts and do everything that it should the right way. And this will be the first time I try it, see if the new switch works and everything. Some of them anyway. Tried to see hard to see with all the lights on. So I got missing my speedo. Turn the lights back on and see if I can fix it. Alright, so you can see see, I got this hose running out over here, running most of my exhaust out. Most of it. There's still a little bit going on here, but good news. What the hell? Turn the camera on and it stops working. There we go. Got it working. I have a ball break too once we burn down the line. It's really turn. Great. Now, my ignition switch did stick for some reason. Like that. Like it still does it. I don't know why. Maybe it has something to do with. Maybe it has something to do with the way he has it. The dude, when he tried to fix it, he has it wired up and stuff. But I don't really know. It's kind of annoying. Actually, it's not kind of annoying. It's really, really annoying. Because you feel like you're gonna melt your starter, which sucks, but whatever, I guess. But it is good news that I'm supposed to start all the time. Yeah, it's working now. That's good. It works, and I think it's going to stay working, so stay tuned for updates.